Hello everyone, I'm Cadet Reds. Introduction. Bovet is a maritime company involved in shipping, vessel management, and cargo transportation. The company is known for maintaining dependable service and professional standards in the maritime industry. This report highlights the cooperation between Bovet and Crystal Lake College in opening opportunities for cadets who wish to begin their careers at sea.
Report. Representatives from Bovet visited Crystal Lake College to conduct recruitment activities for maritime students seeking onboard training and future employment. During the event, students were informed about company qualifications, shipboard responsibilities, and standards expected from cadets entering the profession. Interested applicants were given the opportunity to submit requirements and participate in the screening process. The partnership provides students with a valuable pathway to gain real-world maritime experience, enhance their practical skills, and prepare for future responsibilities on board vessels. Faculty members and company personnel coordinated smoothly to ensure the recruitment program was orderly and beneficial for all participants. Overall, the activity was a successful collaboration that supported the career goals of aspiring seafarers while helping Bovet identify promising future crew members and be one of us.
Hello everyone, I'm Cadet Onyes. Introduction. Eastgate is a company engaged in maritime transport and logistics service, known for safe vessel and operations and efficient cargo delivery. This report focused on the partnership between Eastgate and Crystal Lake College, particularly in providing employment opportunities for maritime cadets and supporting their professional development.
Report. The collaboration between Eastgate and Crystal Lake College aims to recruit qualified cadets from the institution for onboard training and future employment. Through this partnership, selected students are given opportunities to apply their maritime knowledge and gain practical experience onboard vessels under professional supervision. This helps cadets develop their skills, discipline, and readiness for the shipping industry. The hiring process is conducted in a organized manner, including screening, interviews, and qualifications checks to ensure that applicants meet company standards and maritime requirements. School officials and company representatives coordinate closely to guide students regarding career opportunities, training expectations, and industry standards. Overall, the partnership was positive development for both institutions, helping students begin their seafaring careers while providing support with future competent and well-trained seafarers. and become one of us.
Good day everyone, I am Cadet Milana and this is introduction. Veritas is recognized maritime company engaged in shipping operations, vessels management and global crew deployment. The company is known for its commitment to safety, efficiency, and high professional standards in the maritime industry. This report highlights the cooperation between Veritas and Crystal Lake College in providing opportunities for cadets who inspire to begin their careers at sea. Report. Representative from Crystal Lake Veritas visited in Crystal Lake College to conduct recruitment activities for maritime students seeking on-board training and future employment. During the event, students were oriented on the company's qualifications, ship on-board duties from cadets entering maritime professions. Interested applications were given the chance to submit their requirements and participate in screening and interview process. The partnership gives students a valuable company to gain practical maritime experience, improve their ship onboard knowledge, and prepare for future responsibility on board international vessels. Faculty member and company representative coordinated effectively to ensure that the recruitment program was organized, smooth, and beneficial for all participants. Overall, the activity was a successful collaboration that support the career goals of aspiring seafarers, while helping Veritas identify competent and promising future crew members.
Go.
What's up, Walter?
Thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm Cadet Lumayag.
I am Cadet Lumayag.
So, the Presa Region Meet is an annual sporting event that gathers student athletes from different private schools to complete in various disciplines. One of the feature event is Taekwondo, which is showcase the athletes' skills in combat, discipline, and sportsmanship. This present the observation and documentation of the Taekwondo competition held during the Region Presa, particularly focusing on the conduct of the match, safety measures, and overall performance of the participants.
So the Taekwondo competition was held in Tagbilaran Etunyod Gymnasium with the proper facilities for both players and spectators. The event started with a formal bow between the competitors, demonstrating respect and adherence to Taekwondo traditions. All participants were equipped with complete protective gear, including headgear, chest protector, and gloves, and chain guard, ensuring safety throughout the match. A referee was positioned at the center to oversee the fight and enforce the official rules of the game. During the match, both athletes displayed proper techniques such as kicking, blocking, and maintaining balance. The exchange of strike was controlled and both competitors showed discipline and awareness of the rules. The referees actively monitored the ball to ensure fair play to prevent injuries. Spectators, including coaches, teammates, and officials, were present around the competition area. The environment remained organized and match proceeded smoothly without any major incidents. The Taekwondo events in the regional PRISA was successfully conducted, highlighting not only the athletic abilities of the participants but also their discipline, respect, and rehearsal and safety protocols. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, cadets. I'm David Nathaniel M. Lamayag. So, the PRISA region meet, one of the highlighted event is swimming, which is test the athlete's speed, endurance, and discipline in the water. This report focuses on the swimming competition, particularly the preparation at the starting blocks, the conduct of race, and the safety measures observed during the event. The swimming competition was held in a Victoriano Digamo Tirol, Tagbilaran outdoor pool facility, equipped with standard starting blocks and clearly marked lines. Before the race began, the swimming positioned themselves on the starting platforms, demonstrating focus and readiness. At the signal, the athlete executed a proper dive into the pool, initiating the race with speed and coordination. Each swimmer stayed within their assigned line, following official rules and maintaining proper technique throughout the event. Safety measures were observed, including the presence of event officials and proper pool setup. The environment was organized with spectators watching from designated areas without scripting the competition. The swimmers displayed strong physical conditioning, discipline, and competitive spirit. Their performance reflected training, determination, and adherence to the rules of the sport. Overall, the swimming event, the regional PRISA was successfully conducted, showcasing the athletes' ability while maintaining safety, order, and sportsmanship.